we have 3 buildings set up over here. The office behind us is the operations center where dispatch is at, the offices are at. The building next to us is where the parts are all kept. And the big one in the back is where the shop and the driver's room and the bathrooms are located. In the office area, there's actually 6 individuals in there, and we have no running water, there is no bathrooms. We actually have to go outside and go to a different building to go use the restroom or to wash hands and stuff like that. The shop is too small for what we're doing. It's only a 2-bay shop, and we're running 104 buses out of here, not including maintenance, which would be, include facilities, IT, food service, and driver's ed cars. The ceiling's not high enough that our food service truck that we cannot service it inside. We have to service it outside even in the wintertime because the height of the truck exceeds the height of the inside of the shop. The great thing about Prop S and helping us is we can consolidate everything under one roof. We could add another bay to the shop. We can consolidate 3 buildings into one and give the individuals in the office actually bathrooms and running water.